Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you two simple ways to make your site faster by optimizing the images you have on your page. I'll be using the free Visual Composer Insights tool to check where my page needs help and which images aren't optimized. Although Visual Composer is not mandatory for this, it helps with detecting the problems. These tips will mostly help portfolio sites, photographers, and other creatives that have a lot of images on their site. But it can be helpful to any site with any amount of images. First things first, I've created a layout with Visual Composer for a portfolio, and I want to optimize it. To analyze the page, I'll be using Insights, as I said before. It is a content analysis tool that gives you suggestions on how to improve your content for better performance and SEO. What I can tell already by the red circle by the Insights logo, the page isn't fully optimized. Let's open up the Insights to see what needs to be done. We can see that for this page, a lot of things are already done right, like the H1 title, paragraph length, and more. But at the bottom, there are two things that need attention, and it's that the image size is exceeded. If you click on the arrow, you can see which images exactly are too big. So the problem here is that I inserted the images in their full size and then made them smaller here in the edit window of each image. But making them smaller here doesn't make the image lighter and makes your site load slower. So tip number one is to insert images at the size you'll need on the page already. You can do that with tools like Photoshop, Sketch, and there's also an online tool called canva.com that allows doing it online. So if we take this image as an example, we can see that originally it's over 1000 pixels, but in the layout I wanted it to be 580 pixels. So it's good practice to make it 580 from the very start. With Canva, you can create a new design and here choose custom size. Let's write 580 here. Create new design. And now just add your image and adjust it to this size. When that's done, simply download and you have your new image. Tip number two might be the most important one, and it's to always optimize your images. You can easily do it online with tools like Kraken.io or TinyPNG. Here, just upload the images you want to optimize, so let's take the one we just made and watch the magic happen. The size of this image has now been reduced by almost 70%. Once your images are optimized, you can simply replace them on your page. With that, your page will load significantly faster and rank higher. So my final advice is to look for the green light in the Visual Composer Insights to make sure your site is as fast and SEO friendly as it can be. Don't forget to remove old images because you want to keep your media library clean. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and see you on the next one.